The nth term of the sequence is n square plus 3n. Now find the first three terms of the sequence. So see, we can find the first three terms by substituting n as 1, 2 and 3. Like n equals to 1, 2, 3. Now for the first term, we substitute n equals to 1. So n square plus 3n, substituting n equals to 1. So this will be 1 square plus 3 into 1, which is 1 plus 3, that is 4. So 4 is the first term. Now for the second term, substituting n equals to 2 in n square plus 3n. So this will be 2 square plus 3 into 2. So that will be 4 plus 6, which is 10. 4 plus 6, which is 10. Now substituting n equals to 3. So that will be 3 square plus 3 times 3. So that will be 9 plus 9. So the third term will be 18. Now these are the first 5 terms of a different sequence. 25, 18, 11, 4 minus 3. Find the nth term of the sequence. Now A is 25, means the first term is 25 and the common difference. So we see the common difference we'll get by doing 18 minus 25, which is minus 7. So now we know that the nth term is given as an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So now substituting the values, a as 25 plus n minus 1 and then d is minus 7. So substituting this as minus 7. Now open the bracket, this will be 25 minus 7n and then plus 7. So this will be 25 plus 7, 32 minus 7n. So 32 minus 7n will be the answer. Like our video, please do like and share it with your friends. And to score good marks, do subscribe to our channel and also press that notification bell icon to watch our latest videos. Now back to the question. Solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all your working. Okay. So what I am doing is that I am eliminating the y. So multiplying the first equation with 5, since we have to eliminate y, this will be 2x plus y equals 3, multiplying throughout by 5. So what you get is 10x plus 5y equals 15. Now writing the second equation, x minus 5y equals 40. Now adding these two equations. So this will be 11x, adding, so this will be 11x. These two will get cancelled out and this is 55. So x equals 5. X equals 5, yeah. Now substituting x equals to 5 in the second equation, in this equation. So this is 5 minus 5y, that equals 40. Now taking 40 to that side, this will be minus 35 equals 5y. So y equals minus 7. So y equal to x is 5 and y is minus 7. Now the next question. Without using a calculator, work out 1 3 by 8 minus 5 by 6. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. So 1 3 by 8, converting it to improper fraction. So 1 3 by 8 will be 11 by 8 minus 5 by 6. 11 by 8 minus 5 by 6. Not taking the LCM of 8 and 6. So the LCM of 8 and 6 is actually equals 24. So yeah, let me show you the working. So this is 4, this is 3. So now we have to multiply all these numbers, 2 into 4 into 3, which is 24. So the LCM is 24. Now we have to convert these both fraction to the base as 24. So 3 multiply and divide by 3. This will be 33 by 24. And to 5 by 6. 5 by 6 divide and multiply by 4. So that is 20 by 24. Now we can do 33 by 24 minus 20 by 24. Now since the base is same, so we can directly minus 33 minus 20, which is 13. This is 13 by 24. So our answer is 13 by 24. Question 9. A is a point 5, minus 5 and B is a point 9, 3. Find the coordinates of midpoints of AB. So see, you can write this as A, take point A as 5, minus 5. Take this as x1, y1 and point B as 9, 3. Now 9, 3 is given, to take this as x2, y2. Now we know that the formula for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So applying this formula, midpoint will be 5 plus 9 by 2, 5 plus 9 by 2, minus 5 plus 3 by 2. So this is 14 by 2, 5 plus 9 is 14 by 2, which is 7, and minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. This is minus 2 by 2, which will be minus 1. So the coordinates of midpoint is 7, minus 1. Now find the length of AB. Now we know that A is a point 5, minus 5. Taking this as again x1, y1. This is as x1, y1. And B is 9, 3. Taking this as x2, y2. Now we know that the distance formula is given as whole under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substituting the values, the length AB will be whole under root. Now x2 is 9 minus x1 is 5. So 9 minus 5 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus of minus 5 whole square. Since y1 is minus 5. So 9 minus 5, that is 4 whole square. Plus, now this is 3 minus of minus 5, that will be 8. So this will be 8 square. So this is equals to under root 16 plus 64, which is root 80. Now substituting this values or finding this in the calculator, it's 8.94. So the answer is 8.94. The length of AB is 8.94. Question 11th. Simplify fully. 4ab to the power 5 to the whole power 4. So this power 4 is with all of them. So we write 4 to the power 4 and then a to the power 4. Then this is b to the power 5 whole power 4. So 4 to the power 4 is 256. This is a to the power 4 and this will be b to the power 20. So this answer is 256, a to the power 4, b to the power 20. 11b. 2p to the power 1 by 3 equals 6. Find the value of p. Now p to the power 1 by 3, first of all, cross multiplying, this will be 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Now what we do, we cubing both sides. Now if we do the cube of both sides, taking cube on both the sides, cubing both sides means rising both side to the power 3. So this will be p to the power 1 by 3 whole power 3, and this will be 3 to the power 3. So in this 3 will get cancelled, we get p equals to 27. So the answer is 27. Now 81 squared divided by 3 to the power t equals 9. Find the value of t. So 81, you can write 81 as 3 to the power 4, and then its whole to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power t equals 9, or you can write 3 to the power 2. Now this will be 3 to the power 8, as power to the power is multiplied divided by 3 to the power t is equals to 3 to the power 2. Now since in division powers are subtracted, this will be 3 to the power 8 minus t equals to 3 to the power 2. Now since the bases are same, so we can equate the powers. So 8 minus t equals 2. So taking 2 to the left side, t to the right, so this will be 8 minus 2 equals t. That means t equals 6. So the answer is 6. T equals to 6 is the answer. On a map, a lake has an area of 32 centimeters square. The scale of a map is 1:24,000. Calculate the actual area of the lake. Give your answer in kilometers square. Now see, on map, the area of the lake is 32 centimeters square. So 32 centimeters square is on the map. So area of lake on map is 32 centimeters square. Now what's the scale given? Scale is 1:24,000. So to find the actual area of lake, means actual area, not in the map, actual area of the lake, that will in centimeter square will be 32. 32, since this is square, 32 into 24,000 into 24,000 into 24,000 centimeter square. So this is the actual area of lake in centimeter square, but we have to give the answer in kilometer square. So now we know that 1 kilometer is 10 to the power 5 centimeter. Now since this is square, area is in square, so we do squaring both sides. So 1 kilometer square. So that squaring both sides, so this will be 1 kilometer square. This is equal to 10 to the power 5 whole square, which is 10 to the power 10 centimeter square. So you divide this by 10 to the power 10, you will get the area in kilometer square. So dividing it, putting these in calculator, you will get 1.8432 kilometer square as the actual area of lake in kilometer square. Y is directly proportional to the square root of x minus 3. When x is 28, y is 20. Find y when x is 39. Now see, y is directly proportional to square root of x minus 3. So writing y, directly proportional sign, under root of x minus 3. So you can write this as y equals to k under root of x minus 3. Now we have to find the value of k. Substituting x is 28, y is 20, we'll get the value of k. So this is 20 equals k under root of 28 minus 3. So this is 20 equals k under root of 25. That is equals to 5. 20 equals k, root of 25 is 5. So k equals 4. Now substituting the value of k. So y equals 4 under root of x minus 3. Now find y when x is 39. So y equals to 4 under root of 39 minus 3. This will be 4 under root of 36. So which is 4 into 6. This is 24. So our answer is 24. Y equals 24. 15. Make H the subject of formula 2mh equals g 1 minus h. So 2mh this equals G1 minus H. Now first of all opening the bracket, this will be G minus GH. So I'm taking GH to the left hand side, this will be MH, twice of MH plus GH equals G. Now since we have to make H a subject of formula, we'll take H common from here. Taking H common, this will be 2M plus G equals G. Now cross multiplying, so H will be G upon 2M plus G. That's the answer. H is equals to G upon 2M plus G. Now the next question, as you can see the line L. Now see, since line L, as we see from left to right, it is going down. So its slope is going to be negative. So how to find the slope? There is a formula, rise by run. So since the slope is going to be negative, so see, we take this triangle. Now taking this triangle, it will be rise by run. Since the slope is negative, we take a minus sign. Now we see what is rise. Rise is see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3. And run, which is the horizontal, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 3 by 4. So the gradient of the line is minus 3 by 4. Or you can write minus 0.75 also. That's the same thing. Find the equation of line in the form y equal to mx plus c. Now we know that m is minus 3 by 4. The gradient m is minus 3 by 4. So y will be minus 3 by 4x plus c. Now from the graph, as we can see, c is what? C is the y-intercept. So now what's the y-intercept? You see the line, the y-intercept is 2, where the line intercept with the y or cuts the y-axis, that is 2. The value of c is 2, so y is minus 3 by 4x plus 2. Minus 3 by 4x plus 2. Find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to line L and passes through point 12, minus 7. Give your answer in the form y equals mx plus c. Now we see that the line is actually perpendicular to the given line. The slope, the given slope is minus 3 by 4. So the slope, or you can say the normal to it, will be, we reciprocate it and put a minus sign. So the slope will be 4 by 3. So now we write y equals 4 by 3 x plus c. Now this line passes through point 12, minus 7. Substituting the points 12, minus 7 to get c. So y is minus 7 equals 4 by 3. X is into 12 plus c. So this goes 4 times. Minus 7 minus 16. That will be, means 16 if we take 16 to the left hand side. Minus 7 minus 16 will be minus 23. So that's the value of c, the y-intercept. Substituting the value of c, you get equation as y equals to 4 by 3x minus 23. So here's the final answer, 4 by 3x minus 23. The distance between two towns is 600 km. Correct to nearest 10 km. A car takes 8 hours 40 minutes. Correct to nearest 10 minutes to travel this distance. Calculate the lower bound for the average speed of the car. We know that average speed is total distance by total time. So let's find out the lower bound and the upper bound for distance. Distance equals 600 km. They have given to the nearest 10 km. So what we do? Divide by 2, which is 5, so plus minus 5. So lower bound will be 600 minus 5, which is 595. Upper bound will be 600 plus 5, which is 605. Now the time. Time is 8 hours 40 minutes. To the nearest 10 minutes. So again 10 by 2, which is 5 minutes. So plus minus 5 minutes. So lower bound for the time will be 8 hours 35 minutes, means minus 5 minutes. And then upper bound will be 8 hours 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Now, through the lower bound, to calculate the lower bound for the average speed, we take the lower bound of the length, lower bound of the distance upon the upper bound of the time. So to get the lower bound of average speed, so we take lower bound of distance 595 upon upper bound of time, which is 8 hours 45 minutes. Now we have to convert 45 minutes to hours. We know that 45 minutes is 3 by 4 hours or 0.75 hours. So we can write this as 895 upon 8.75 hours. So 45 minutes, you can see 45 by 60 is converting to hour is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is same as 0.75. So this will be 8.75 hours. Now calculating this in calculator, you get 68 km per hour as the lower bound for the average speed of car. So 68 km per hour is the answer.